Good morning everyone. Welcome to revision of day 2 class 5 maths. So children, multiple choice question. 3 by 4 of an hour. So hour means 60 minutes. We have to multiply with 60. So what is there? So 3 by 4 of 60 means 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. How many remaining? 2. And 4 5s are 20. So 15 into 3 is 45. Okay children? So our correct answer is B, 45. Now 7 divided by 1, 2 by 5. So what is the answer? So 7 divided by 1, 2 by 5. So it means that 7 first we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So improper fraction will be 5 ones are 5 and plus 2 is 7. So 7 by 5. Now we will change this sign, and after changing this sign the fraction becomes the opposite, means numerator becomes denominator and denominator become numerator. Now 5 and 7 ones are 7 and 7 ones are 7. So answer is 5. So answer is part B, 5. HCF of 42 and 72. We have to find the highest common factor of 42 and 72. So here we are going to have 42, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now 3 7s are 21. Now 7 1s are. Now after 42, what is the next number? 72. So 2 3s are 6, 1 remaining, 2 6s are 12. So 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining, 2 8s are 16. Now next 2 9s are 18. Now 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So what is the common factor? Common factor will be 2 into 3 factors will be 2 into 3 factors of 42 will be 2 into 3 into 7. Now factors of 72 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So common factors, highest common factor will be 2. Okay. Now the next common factor, what is the next common factor? Is 3. So highest common factor will be 2 into 3 is 6. Okay children? So highest common factor will be 6. Number divisible by 7. So what is the number which is divisible by 7? So for deciding that what is divisible by 7, we will just multiply this number by 2. This add the first two numbers and just multiply the first two numbers with 2. So we will get the number divisible by 7. Okay children, so what is the number? This is the number. Now next, 865 divided by 865. So 865 ones are 865. Now remainder is 0 0. So we have to copy down. See, 865 and here 865, 865 ones, 10, 100, 10,000 lakh, 8,65,865. So ones are 865. So remainder is 0 0. Now we have to copy down 8. So 865 doesn't come in the table of 865. It is 3-digit number and it is 1-digit number. So we will put a 0 and 865 zeros are 0. Now 8. We will copy down the next number 6. Now again this number is smaller than this number. So again 865 zeros are 0 and we will again copy down 5. Now 865 ones are. So our question will be 1001. So our answer will be 1001. Now 2625 into 10,000 minus 5925 इक्वल टू, अब ये देखिए यहाँ पर ये नंबर भी है, इस ब्रैकेट को जब हम खोलेंगे तो हम 2625 को इससे भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 2625 को इससे भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। तो अब देखिए ये नंबर के साथ क्या नहीं है, 10,000 नहीं है, तो हम यहाँ पर हमारा आएगा 10,000 और 2625 के साथ क्या नहीं है, यहाँ पर ये नंबर नहीं है। तो नेक्स्ट फिलअप में आएगा ये वाला नंबर। तो हमारा आंसर हुआ पार्ट ए। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट 7। सो राइट हैंड साइड पे जो बड़े नंबर के बाद नंबर होता है उसे हम ऐड करते हैं। सो 10 I x I and x, so x is for 10 and x और आगे कोई सा नंबर होता है तो हम उससे सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं। तो ये कितना हो गया, 10 and -1 is 9, so 10 and 9 is, what is the number? 10 and 9 is 19 plus 10 and 10 20 and 9, so 29. So when we add the number, what does the number we get? 10 and minus x is 10 and L is 50. So 50 minus 10, 40, and 5 is 45 and plus 3 is plus 3 is 48. So the number is 48. Okay. Now next, place value of 5 in the numeral is dash. अब प्लेस वैल्यू 5 की बताना है। तो देखिए हम क्या बताएंगे, 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh and crore. So no, we want place value in international system. So we have 1s 10s 100 1000 10,000 100,000 million and 10 million. So we have 50 million. What is the place value of 5? 50 million. Now next, we have to fill in the missing pattern. So यहाँ पर देखिए ये पैटर्न का ये वाला साइड फिल था, मीन्स ये क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, फिर ये, तो अब क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में ये पैटर्न फिल होना चाहिए। तो हमारे पास बी ऑप्शन है ये पैटर्न। ओके, नाउ 74 डिग्री F हमें कन्वर्ट करना है। तो हम कैसे करेंगे, whenever this type of question is given, the centigrade is given and we have to convert into Fahrenheit, then what we have to do, we have to multiply the digit given by 9, divide by 5 and add 32. But our temperature is given in Fahrenheit, so what we have to do, we have to subtract 32, multiply by 9 and then divide by 9. Okay children, so what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? 74 degree. So 74, we have to subtract 32. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 3 is again 4. So we have 42. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply by 5. So if you multiply by 5, 5 2s are 10, 0 carry 1, 5 4s are 20 and 1, 21. Now what we have to do? We have to divide the product by 9. So just divide the product by 9. 9 how many? 2s are 18. Okay. So 11 and 0. So 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 is there. Now copy down 0. So how many? 9. So we have 27. So what is remaining? Again remaining 10 minus 7 is 3 and now we will put a decimal and copy down 0. Now 9 3s are 27. This is non-terminating, so it keeps on repeating the same answer. So our answer is 23.3. So we got our answer 23.3 degrees centigrade. Okay. Now question number 11, angle A is equals to 70. What is the value of angle A? 70 degree. Okay. Measure of A is 70. Angle B is 120. Measure of B is 120. Angle C is equals to 50. Now what is angle D? So we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to how much? 360 degree. So It means that the sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So this means that angle A plus angle B plus angle C, whatever the measure is, that we have to subtract from 360 degree. Okay. So let us do the addition. 120 plus 50 plus 70. So what is this? 7, 8, 9 and 14. So 4 carry 1 and 1 is 2, means 240. Now what is the sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral? 360. So 360 minus 240 is what? 120 degree. So we got our answer 120 degree. So what is the measure of angle D? Angle D is equals to 120 degree. Okay. Now next, angle A is equals to 45. This is a right angle triangle and angle A is equals to 45. Angle B is equals to 90. Now what is angle C? And we know that in a right angle triangle, one angle is of 90 degree and measure of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. This means that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to कितना होना चाहिए? 180 degree. एंड हमारा एंगल बी कितना है? 90 डिग्री और हमारा एंगल ए कितना है? 45 डिग्री. तो दोनों को प्लस करेंगे तो हमारा एंगल सी आ जाएगा. अब दोनों को प्लस किया कितना आया? 0, 5, 9 एंड 4 इज 13, 135. ठीक है. सो अब उधर ले जाओ तो कितना हो गया? 180 माइनस 135 इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल सी. अब माइनस करिए. 0 माइनस 5 इज 5. नाउ 7 माइनस 3. 7 माइनस 3 इज 4 and 1 minus 0 is 0. So what is the measure of angle? What is the measure of angle C? 45 degree. Okay children. So this is our answer. Now next. So match up this there. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is all the circumference is perimeter and area is means the covered portion is area. Okay. So what is the perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is 4 into side. Now the perimeter of rectangle is twice length plus breadth. Perimeter of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle का perimeter क्या होता है? 3 into length of side, one side. Now area of square, side into side. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. This is our answer. These are all formulas and we have to match them up. So correct answer is A. Now next, the cost of TV set is 18,000. A shopkeeper earned a profit of 15%. Find the selling price of the TV set. Okay, so what is there? The cost of TV set means cost price is what? 18,000. Now shopkeeper earned a profit. Profit is 15%. Okay. Now find the selling price of TV set. We have to find the selling price. So we know that selling price minus profit is equals to what? Cost price. Okay. So this means that SP is equals to, what is profit percent? 15%. 15% means upon 100 into 18,000. Okay. So 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. Now 180 into 15. What is 180 into 15? 180 into 15. 5 zeros are 0, 5 8s are 40, carry 1, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8 9. Now 1 zeros are 0, 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1. Now 0 0 8 17 and 20. So SP is equals to CP plus profit. So profit हमें कितने आया है? Profit हमें आया है 2700. So हमारा CP कितना है? 18,000 plus profit हमारा आया है 2700. So हम 18,000 plus 2700 करेंगे. So हमारे पास है 18,000 plus 2700. So what we have? 7 8 9 10 0 carry 1 20,700 is our answer. Okay children, हमने क्या किया? हमें दिया था प्रॉफिट परसेंट. तो प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल्स टू प्रॉफिट परसेंट इंटू CP। अब हमने यहाँ से निकाला तो हमारा प्रॉफिट कितना आया, 2700 आया, हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 2700 आया। अब हमारा फॉर्मूला होता है SP इज इक्वल्स टू CP प्लस प्रॉफिट। सेलिंग प्राइस, किस प्राइस में हमने सेल किया है, बेचा है, तो कॉस्ट प्राइस प्लस प्रॉफिट, तो 18,000 प्लस 27, तो हमारा करेक्ट आंसर इज व्हाट इज 20,700। Now Mr. Raman has filled 12 liters of petrol in his car. If 25% of the petrol is consumed, how much petrol is left? अब क्या बोल रहे हैं कि रमन ने उसकी कार को 12 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल से फिल किया है। अब 25% पेट्रोल कंज्यूम हो गया है, तो अब देखिए 12 लीटर का 25% निकालेंगे हम, ओके। सो 12 upon 100 into 25%, okay। So what we have, so 25 1s 4s 4 3s, so how many, 3 liters। अब वो बोल रहा है कि 12 लीटर से फिल करवाया है और कितना बचा है, तो कितना कंज्यूम हो गया है, 3 लीटर्स कंज्यूम हो गया है, तो 12 माइनस 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 9 लीटर रिमेनिंग है, तो वही हमें पूछा गया है, तो आंसर है 9 लीटर। द कॉस्ट ऑफ फैंसी कैप इज 95.85। फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 21 सच कैप। एक कैप की प्राइस है 95.85, हमें 21 कैप की प्राइस निकालनी है। सो 95.85 1 कैप की है, 21 कैप्स की कितनी होगी, 1 5 ज़ा 5, 8 1 ज़ा 8, 1 5 ज़ा 5, 1 9 ज़ा 9, ओके। नाउ मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5 2 ज़ा 10, 0 कैरी 1, 8 2 ज़ा 16 and 1 17, 5 2 ज़ा 10, 0 कैरी 1, 9 2 ज़ा 18 and 1 19, ओके। सो 5 8 2 10 10 and 2, okay। Now so 9 and 1 10 and carry over 1 is 11, so we have 201285. Now 2 digit after decimal, so 1 and 2, so we have 2012.85, so 2012.85 rupees, this is our answer, okay children। So this was our last question. We will again meet in the next day in the next revision video. Till then, practice your revision set.